In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add watermark on document in WPS Office mobile PC or laptop. This feature is extremely useful when you want to protect your content, mark ownership, or give your document a more professional appearance before sharing or printing it. By the end of this video, you will be able to confidently apply and customize a watermark exactly the way you want. To get started, open WPS Office on your PC or laptop and make sure the document you want to work on is already open. Once the file is visible on your screen, take a moment to confirm that it is the correct document, since any watermark you apply will directly affect it. When you are ready, move your cursor to the top menu and select the Page Layout tab. This section contains layout and design tools that control how your document looks overall. After opening the Page Layout tab, look for the Watermark option. Clicking this will immediately show you several preset watermark designs. These presets are useful if you want something quick and simple, such as a standard text watermark already styled for you. You can choose any of these presets and the watermark will be applied instantly to your document. If you prefer something more personalized, you can create your own custom watermark. To do this, select the option to add a custom watermark. From here, you can choose between using a picture watermark or a text watermark by selecting the appropriate checkbox. If you choose a text watermark, you can replace the default wording with your own text. This allows you to display any label or message you need on your document. Once the text is set, you can adjust how the watermark appears. You can change its orientation, choosing whether it appears horizontally across the page or diagonally. You also have control over the transparency, which helps you balance visibility without distracting from the main content. In addition, you can decide where the watermark is positioned, whether at the top, the center, or the bottom of the page. Another important option allows you to choose how widely the watermark is applied. You can set it to appear throughout the entire document or limit it to a specific section only. This is especially helpful when working with longer files that contain different sections with different requirements. Once you are satisfied with all the settings, click OK to apply the watermark. You will immediately see it placed on your document according to the options you selected. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.